Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's edition of Lead Sites Live. We are going to be chatting about the Easy CMA tool, optimizing it, maybe the best way to use it, things along those lines. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So the Easy CMA tool is our home valuation landing page, and by default on your website, it's linked from a couple places. So let me actually open up the front end of the site here. And you guys are probably familiar with this part of your header up here. There's a little call to action that just links straight to the instant home valuations. You know, by default, you're going to see this. There's a bunch of different templates to choose from, which we will absolutely show you, but it is a pretty quick and easy tool in this regard. That information that's offered is kind of like a low, medium, high style of, kind of like a price range that's offered. So definitely understand if you guys want to deactivate that and have it be a little bit more personalized. But, we do want to stress that it is a really great tool that you can actually, have the automated valuation. So in addition to the automated reporting, you can change a lot of different things back here in the Easy CMA. So you can, of course, edit the, the way that it looks and feels. I'm just going to open it up so you can see what that looks like. So all of this information can, of course, be edited, the color, all that good stuff. Let's see here. For the actual templates for how it looks, that is very, very easy to change up. So we have a bunch that you can kind of choose from here. Let's go ahead and try this bubbly one. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh that. And boom, so you can see that it's a little bit, kind of different here. And still has that great, kind of easy to use format, for folks that are actually browsing it. And you guys are going to see that this has come up a couple times. So, the want to know the value of your home. This is a good way that we can actually, kind of make the Smart Pop-Up tool work for us in that regard. So, passively, we link to the home valuation a lot on the actual, homepage itself, the home value analysis here. Selling your home, we're going to link out to that. Accurate home value, we're going to link out to that, all that good stuff. But you can also target folks with pop-ups as well to actually kind of get them on there. So if we pop back out to the app section, and then we go to the Smart Pop-Up app. So by default, you are already going to have a home value pop-up that is part of the service here. So we're gonna turn this on to Smart. Somebody already had it on Ludicrous, which means it comes up every single time a page loads. That is not recommended. So you can edit this pop-up, of course. So you click on this, we want to redirect to go to, let's see here, the URL. We're gonna save that. And do we want to show this site-wide? Yes, we could probably also just show it on like specific pages as well. And then under advanced, you can say, how often you want it to show, once per visit, once per day, all that good stuff. So you can have pop-ups that come up only once per visit, and then some pop-ups that come up every time they load a page, maybe. Not something that we necessarily recommend, but let's say we just want this on IDX pages. And then you just go to the next step here, and then you can just save it. What's also cool is that you also get it as a button and a link and an embed as well. So you can use those on blog posts and things along those lines.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.